Puro udutan na kwentuhan.
Oh, wait. Oh, game.
Si Rina nga, naamin nga na yung baksik na motor.
Why are you far from attorney po?
Oh,
Naka-YouTube yan, Gagi.
pardon me for my looks, but my friend just farted out.
You want one more?
We just ate.
No more, one more. No more, please.
We just ate.
Sino mo to?
Who farted? Lagay mo over here.
To remove the bad luck.
Let's see.
Malay mo swerte.
Oh, let's see
Pero ano, pare
that will bring us luck.
Stephen Curry,
Pag maganda yan,
Noble
ayoko naman
Nippets,
uutot, bawat
Ricky
bukas
Pierce.
utot.
Ron Artest,
Ano Ricky Pierce?
Oh, maganda oh!
Paul
Pare,
Pierce,
ayoko na.
Tyreek Evans,
Okay, utot
Sorry,
ka ulit.
Cory
nga.
Brewer.
Tingnan natin kung maganda ulit.
Ray Allen.
Pare, utot ka ulit. Tingnan natin kung maganda ulit. Dali, dali!
Later.
Teka lang.
Hindi maganda eh.
Teka lang, Ricky Pierce daw eh.
Paul Pierce, so I'm sorry.
Ricky Pierce daw.
He's already retired.
Toxic yata pa eh.
Paul Pierce. Oh, too much cholesterol I think.
Yeah, we ate too much, huh?
Made us drunk. People are noisy over there, huh?
James Johnson,
Uy!
Larry Bird, Ron Artest again.
Again?
Matito yung mga nakuha natin, pare eh.
Oh my God,
Yan, medyo supply.
Blackman Mardy Collins. Why, oh why? Let me fart again.
Look at that. It's almost exactly the same.
What is...
Let me fart again.
Yeah, please. Let us part ways. Bahala kayo sa... Let us part ways.
Look at this. You want a gas mask?
Gasol.
Oh,
Collison.
tingnan mo, okay.
Oh my God.
Oh goodness.
The parting is really bad. Stop it.
It was
Michael Red. Gold. Henderson, 8 of 15. And Baron League.
Oh no.
Oh, the party is not really nice.
It's okay
Okay,
just
no
as
more
long as
party
we
na,
get
no
the
more party,
Tiger
please.
Woods Jordan tonight.
Let's see if we can get a nice one of one.
Uy, ba't inom mo siya ulit? Napalit ko.
One solid.
Oh, sorry.
One solid one of one. Gakay.
Oh. 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 Talaga mas malupit? Oh, sabi sa'yo eh. Naka-YouTube yan. Narinig yung mga pinagkukwento nyo.
Oh, dual.
Ooh,
Ay, dual. Over
David
pieces pala.
Robinson.
Amare.
Amare.
Terence.
Terence.
KG.
KG. They're picking on your wife, huh?
It's okay.
Oy. They're picking on you too, huh?
Eh, minsan naman pag si Rina nag-request, okay, Jun. Sabi niya, Jun, saksak mo. Oo. Kapag ibigyan ko naman din.
Oh goodness, look
Look
Walton.
Walton, huh?
Look, Walton.
Dwight Howard.
Dwight Howard.
You scared me.
It's from your side.
Very good.
Oh.
Nice one of
You know why? Because I'm the one who didn't part. I'm sorry. Did I hit you with the...
Josh
Yes.
Smith.
Josh Smith. And jersey number of Al Jefferson regular.
Oh?
Yes.
Sabi mo na, baka dito tayo mamaya.
Oh, one.
25
Gusto nga din one of one na may patch. Saka autograph. Di ba meron yan?
No.
Meron.
Who knows? You might get one today.
Yeah.
We will.
I want logo man.
Positive
Harden.
thinking.
Auto patch, OJ Mayo, number 232. Shaquille. Hansbrough. OJ Mayo, gold,
Cookie.
and a Tim Duncan. Let's go to your end, Mr. Ball. Attorney Ball?
Mr. Ball. Mr. Ball.
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 Ito ka na mabastos yun.
Minor. Patrick Waugh again.
Patrick.
Flashback again.
Flashback.
Oh, Patrick Roy?
Uh-huh.
Oh, not bad.
Second.
Yan yung kanina ba nakuha?
Yes,
Yeah.
Pau Gasol. Tyreek Evans again.
Wow.
Al Jeff and Devin Harris.
Let's get the Jordan flashback.
How many do you have left? That's it?
2 pieces.
One more flashback of Jordan, please. Come on.
You have one more case there?
Yeah,
Two.
one more. 2, 1, 2. Yeah, 2 more.
This one more.
Mag-isang 4 cases tayo na shoot. Kahit na 2 and a, 3 and a.
Kevin Martin. Earl Clark.
Oh goodness,
JR
JR
Giddens who's with New York now.
Is he playing?
Albeit Ewing.
Sino alat to sa head mo?
Ricky Rubio.
Again.
Andre Iguodala. And
Melo,
Melo.
who just lost to the Lakers earlier.
But they were ahead in the first 2 quarters.
They could have won by 0.5 more.
Yeah. Oh, god
They
damn.
could have made us
Oh,
very
it's
happy.
another Kobe. So, ensure this is Sasaki Pack again. Kobe.
Earl Clark.
Dallas plus
Brandon.
not Charlotte.
Brandon Roy. Auto
Number
North pieces number 27.
Orlando at Philadelphia plus 4.5.
Scottie Pippen.
New York
Griffin.
plus 11.5 at Cleveland.
Legends.
Legends. And a
Pau
Pau
Gasol.
Gasol.
San Antonio at New Orleans plus 2.5.
Center Legends.
Portland plus 1 at Memphis.
Oh, fishy.
Mini.
Fishy.
Oh, go pa.
One more?
Yan.
Denver
Three and a half
plus
natin.
2.5 at Phoenix. Ooh.
Ayo, papasok ko dyan.
I might have. Wala pa sa atin.
Utah at LA Clippers plus 6. Ooh, another tempting.
Yan yung mga tempting eh, yung mga
Ay,
pasaway eh. Mga I think.
Russell Westbrook. Gerard Henderson.
Anong time redemption ng batch na to?
Limited logos. Robert Parrish.
But it's number 214 only.
Karl Malone. Tabit.
The Lakers.
The Lakers.
Lakers versus Celtics.
Huh? No, it's all Lakers.
Oh, Lakers. Oh.
Wala ka na?
Hey, one more one of one.
Isang case pa yun, di ba?
Oh, think 3 and a half.
Let's see, tiga to. Tapusin na natin. Wala na.
Hindi, may dalawa pa ako.
Kaya nga, tama. Ricky Rubio.
Patay na ako ni Jordan na autograph ah.
Danny Granger.
Isang one time big time.
Jordan, come on.
Or Peja Stojakovic.
DeMar
DeRozan. Another inscription of Hakim. And Dwayne Wade.
Who just came back.
One case and then 2 cases. So that means we opened 4 right here. So that means
So the
we
last
have-
one will be the 3.
Yeah, the last is the 3.
Ano kaya? Parang...
Or this one, I think it's a rookie flashback.
Oh, nice.
Allen Iverson.
Ah, yes. It is.
Chase.
Slowly.
Peyton
Manning.
Manning again. The who's this guy?
Good enough. The choker. Ron Artest.
Ron Artest. Joe Johnson. And Chris Bosh. So we'll be back for the last 3.